second video of today. In this video, the continuation of that exercise. This is a worksheet. Match the items of column 1 with suitable items in column 2. Column 1, salivary gland, stomach, liver, rectum, small intestine, large intestine. In column 2, bile juice, secretion, storage of undigested food, saliva, secretion, acid release, digestion is completed, absorption of water, release of feces. Then how do you match it? Salivary gland is produced. Salivary gland secrete a secretion called saliva. Salivary gland, saliva secretion. Stomach. What is secreted by stomach? Stomach. Which one will you match? Acid release. In the stomach, acid is released. Acid release. Liver, liver, liver. Bile juice, secretion, liver. Rectum, storage of undigested food. Rectum. Is it? No. Rectum, release of fecal matter. Rectum. Release of fecal matter is from the rectum. Small intestine, digestion is completed. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. Large intestine. In the large intestine, absorption of water takes place. Absorption of water takes place. Actually, rectum, storage of undigested food is by rectum. Storage of undigested food by rectum. And release of feces by matter by anus. Here it is given 7, but here in column 1 it is given only, in column 1 only 6, and here it is 7, and here there will be anus also. Anus. In rectum, storage of undigested food is in rectum, and the release of feces by anus. So ANUS, anus is also added here. Anus should be added here. So one more you will add in this column, anus. Okay. This worksheet will be done by you. You write answers. Select the correct answers and write in the column 2 along with column 1. For example, salivary gland. Here you write salivary gland, and here you write saliva secretion. In the left hand side, column 1, salivary gland, and in the right hand side of that one, along with column 2, you have to write saliva secretion. उसके सामने लिखते जाओगे. मैच द कॉलम. सामने आंसर, सही आंसर को सामने लिखते जाओगे. Okay, it is over. So here in this chapter, now we have completed so many things. So chapter is ended here. Here this exercise we have done in the previous video, and this diagram we have seen. Have you done your homework? This one, I hope that you have already wrote your definitions. Did you define these words in your copy? You hope positively. And now nutrition purchasing animals, and this also you have to draw arrangement of teeth and different type of teeth, arrangement of teeth or types of teeth you have to draw. And this one, digestive system and the steps of digestion and all these things you note it down and learn. So this chapter is, there was a quick revision of what we have learned till now, and all the best. Chapter 2 is also completed. With some question answers left, then I will give it to you later on, don't worry. Some question answers left here, I have done it from NCERT book, and you have to do your DAV book. In the DAV book there are so many questions to do. I will give all those questions in a picture. I will send it through the WhatsApp tomorrow. So all the best. Do the work. I am not giving so much work today, only this much. You do it and be happy. Thank you.